What's going on?
We're trying to swat it.
Let me know when you come out the door, cause
Yeah, ready.
oh my God!
Go get it.
It almost came out the bottom.
Oh, there you go. Oh.
I don't want him to come out. You gotta keep him in here.
If it crawls under the door, I'm barefoot.
I got a towel by it.
Okay, I see.
Yeah, where is he? Oh, I thought I had him. This is about like vacation.
Do y'all have trash cans on your heads?
Because he's coming right for us.
He's attacking.
Bam!
I wish this door was see-through.
Yeah, he's all over us. Come flying out.
Oh, there he is.
Does it? Did you get it?
I don't know. Oh, candle.
Alright.
Throw.
Go, go, go.
Open the front door.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh,
The back door.
okay.
The light on.
Poor bird's probably dead.
Uh-huh. It's back.
Did you get back in?
It looked like it may just been your shadow of your foot. I hope it was just your
I
shadow.
don't know.
Oh, he's back.
Oh, it's back in the house.
He's back. Ollie?
No.
It's underneath the waiting chair. Ollie, stay up there.
It's under the
Back
chair.
in.
My God.
Ran right in. I didn't even see it.
Alright.
Where's he at?
He was just underneath here. He made me.
There. Oh, that's Chloe.
Did you close the door?
Yes.
Yeah, he's in the blinds. He was just underneath the waiting seat.
Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Is it in the tree?
It's. Don't tell me you pull up in there, you retard.
It didn't do any flying. It was running.
Well, after it.
Well, I saw it, but it looked like it was going down over there.
Yeah.
It came in and went right underneath here. Yeah, Chloe. Where's Buckley at? I see you, Buck.
Buckley, get it.
Come on, Buck. Come help us.
Get it, Buck.
Hidden.
If it flew up there, he's gonna die here soon.
Wait, the thing's not open.
I know, but it's not gonna withstand the heat.
I can't believe that either. Is it in the tree?
I don't know. It may be.
Oh, I didn't think about it turning around and literally running
it
back
should, huh?
inside. You guys kind of beat it up, didn't you?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
He's gotta be.
Buckley, come find it.
Buckley, come here.
Buckley, come get it.
Where you at? Yeah, Buck, come on. Go get it. Come here, Buck. See that rabbit.
Buckley thought he found it. He had him all over.
Come on.
He crawled in the bathroom. It was you.
That scared the crap out of me. Literally. I was like, what the?
Dad came knocking on the door. Don't close both of the doors. There's a bird in the house. I was like, what? Are you serious?
Oh. Come here, Buck. Well, if you start to smell something soon, we know it flew in the fire.
Yeah.
But it could be in the tree, but I want to break the tree.
Yeah.
I heard something ruffling around. It could be up there.
It definitely came back inside.
Oh, 100%. I saw it. No mercy on it this time. It came back around too.
Well, I didn't see him come out from under that at all.
Make sure he didn't fly back here again.
Sometimes circles just make sense.
Maybe he's under the tree.
Yeah.
Because I didn't see him come out.
I didn't either.
Any system constructed is designed to replace the knee's naturally circular motion. Other knee systems follow an oval motion.
Oh, I cannot believe this.
Don't just replace your knee. Replace the way your knee moves. All surgery has risks. Recovery takes time and individual results vary. The lifetime of any device is limited and depends on several factors like weight and activity level. Ask your doctor.
Get it, Buck.
You can't find anything.
Get it, Buck. Get the baby. Get it. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it?
I wanted to bring the flavors of Morocco.
There you go,
I
son.
mistake and I did
Alright.
olives, the strawberry
Okay, you turn the lights on.
Why is that light flickering?
It might have got blocked.
I was thinking maybe the bird was doing something. No. It's just a weird light.
Thank you. I agree. And I'm glad that we don't have
It's gonna be a little timid to move because we did really scare them.
I can't believe it.
I can't believe it ran back
I
inside.
saw Kristen's foot go up and I saw a shadow. I thought it was just her foot, but nope.
Probably traumatized.
No, it's not. Be more traumatized.
for me is well done. And I mean,
Oh, you can go see it right here. It's not in there.
these are so scrambled for
It's
time.
gotta be
I made
underneath
sure
something.
that I got the pieces that were more moist and the less of the ones that
Are all the other doors closed?
Back one's open. Bathroom's open.
Did you go in the kitchen and look?
Buddy, you see that, buddy? Where's that? Get it. Get that bird. Get that bird, buddy.
I think you did a couple good things here. I really enjoyed it. It's really different from Patty's Puree in the sense that it's velvety. So it actually goes well with the turnips. I really like that because the turnips give you some crunch. My one big issue
No
is
bird.
the bacon is very flaccid. It's not cooked out. And then I think this sauce is very soft.
Oh, don't you do it,
Oh,
Mike. Don't
no.
you do it.
If we get trapped in here with a bird. Oh, no.
Hey, going. What was the game again?
Christy go off with a bird.